First thing to do is to mix all your dry ingredients together in a mixing bowl. Once you put all the ingredients in, you're going to get the spoon and the spatula and mix them all together. And then once he's done that, he's going to slowly pour in the melted lard. The lard has been melted by his mum. So he's going to pour that in and then pour it all around, and at the same time get his mixture, his dry mixture and his lard all mixed up together. Keep mixing the mixture until you get a nice sticky gooey type of paste, as can be seen in this clip. Okay, using 2 teaspoons then, put the mixture into the cup. What we've got here is Theo's holding the base of the cup and he's holding the string so it runs through the centre of the cup, and his mum is working the mixture into the cup around the string. This then allows the feeder to sit properly on the tree and it lasts longer before the birds get to the string. As you can see there, the string runs through the centre of the cup with the mixture around the outside. This is what we want to try and achieve. So do that for the rest of the mixture and the rest of the cups that you've got. Here's some that we've made earlier. What we did is we've cut the cup off the outside and now we're going to hang it onto the tree. So we've hung this one in our garden, but recently we also hung one out in the local woods, as can be seen in the next clip. Thank you for watching our video.